Money Printer Review: How to earn $100,000 per month in a world where financial stability is becoming more elusive and the job market seems less promising by the day. Many of us are looking for ways to secure a reliable income. The idea of making $100,000 per month might sound too good to be true, but what if there was a system that made this possible? Enter the Money Printer strategy that promises to make you money with just the push of a button. In this review, we'll dive into what the Money Printer is, how it works, and whether it could truly help you earn $100,000 per month. What is Money Printer? At its core, Money Printer is a system that claims to generate consistent income with minimal effort. While it might sound like a magical money machine, the truth is that it's a strategic method designed to create revenue streams quickly and efficiently. This system is not about selling a physical product, and, as the disclaimer points out, there is no actual money printing machine involved. That would be illegal. Instead, it's about leveraging smart techniques that mimic the effect of having your own personal cash flow generator. How does the Money Printer system work? The allure of the Money Printer is its simplicity. You don't need to be tech savvy, have a social media following, or spend any money upfront. According to its creators, the system involves a few basic steps that can be repeated to generate a consistent cash flow. The idea is that you can start seeing results almost immediately after getting started. And as the strategy becomes integrated into your routine, the money keeps flowing in. Is Money Printer legal? One of the first concerns many people have when they hear about a system that claims to print money is its legality. The creators of the Money Printer system are clear about this. It's completely legal. You are not actually printing money, but the system they offer creates the same effect. A steady stream of income that feels like it's coming from your very own money machine. The future of your income. Imagine waking up each day without the weight of financial worries hanging over you. No more scrambling to pay bills. No more stressing about job security. Instead, with the Money Printer system, you're in control of your own income, able to generate cash flow on demand. Conclusion: the Money Printer system offers a tantalizing prospect, the ability to earn $100,000 per month by following a simple, repeatable strategy. While it may sound too good to be true, the testimonials and results from the creators suggest that it could be a powerful tool for those looking to boost their income without the typical hassles of online businesses.